What's going on, guys?
What is going on, guys?
I'm here for a race recap. Actually, I'm not. Darren Jack here from Hall of Fame Collection. I'm here with some cards, and we just got in this package from PSA, and they've all been graded. I can't wait to open it up and find out what we got inside. But first, let me give you a little education on how they arrive in here. So we sell these packs, they're individual, or you can buy the box. In some cases, people buy a full case of them. What you want to do is collect the base cards, and then you want to chase the hits. So let's open up one pack now and see what we find. All right, we got Sebastian Vettel, Lewis Hamilton, we got Sergio Perez, Esteban Ocon, and it's numbered out of 25. So what we would do now, we would actually take this card and we're going to put it into a sleeve and now into the top loader. Then what we do is we take these top loaders and we send them off to PSA. And then what they do is they grade them. What does grading mean? They basically look at the corners, the surfacing, if there's any scratches, the centering of the card, and they give it a grade. So you'll notice on this one, it's pretty well centered. Corners look pretty good. Maybe it comes back at like an 8 or a 9, and they put it in a nice plastic slab and they become a bit more collectible. But this is the first time we've actually had a PSA shipment arrive, and PSA is basically the standard for the best grading in all of cards. So I have no idea what the grades are going to be in here, but let's open it up and find out. All right, here we go. Let's take them out. Lots of autos in here. It's pretty exciting. It's like Christmas. All right, so it looks like these are the 2022 Topps Chrome autos, and we got some Superfractors in here. That means they're 1 of 1, and we got a Sergio Perez. It's come back as a 9. We got Carlos Sainz at an 8. We've got Valtteri Bottas as a 9. We've got a couple of F2 guys, Deruvula and Callum Williams. Lewis Hamilton, 10-10. That's pretty cool. So these are the reds, and they're limited to only 5 in the world. We've got his teammate, George Russell, Carlos Sainz, Charles Leclerc, 10-10 on that. A 10 on the Alonso. Esteban Ocon, Sebastian Vettel, nice 10. K-Mag, 10-10 on Mick Schumacher. Pierre Gasly, Daniel Ricciardo, 10-10 there. We got the Zhou Guanyu, he's the rookie of the 2022 set. We got Nicholas Latifi, Logan Sargent, his first F2 card. We got Sem Balabaski, Dennis Hauger, Teo Porcher, Clement Novalek, there's a 10-10. Frederick Vesti, Jake Hughes, and Enzo Fittipaldi. All right, more F2, Ayumu Iwasa, Ollie Caldwell, Jack Doohan. And now we've got some team principals, Toto Wolff, Ottmar. We've got Gunther Steiner, Jost Capito. And we've got some silver autos in here, Logan Sargent, Marcus Armstrong, Callum Williams, and his teammate from Trident, Richard Verschoor, Iwasa, Sato, Drogovic, another Enzo Fittipaldi. So this shows you here, we've got the red auto, limited to 5, and the silver autos where they are not numbered, so we don't know how many of them they signed. Amaury Cordio, Ralph Boschung, Ollie Caldwell, and now we've got some golds, so these will be soon available on the website. Valtteri Bottas, 10 of 10. Alexander Albon, Ayumu Iwasa. We've got Marino Sato. We've got the gold waves, they're also limited to 50. We've got Esteban Ocon, Alex Albon, Deruvla, Jack Doohan, Jost Capito, and then we've got the greens. These are limited to just 99. F2 drivers Ayumu Iwasa. We've got Ralph Boschung and Dennis Hauger. That's box number 1. Let's get to box number 2. Another nice stack here. All right, we got a couple of 2020s here with Lando Norris and Charles Leclerc. Now we're into our red autos. We got Callum Eilert from 2020, Roy Nissany, and we got Dan Ticktum, which is actually a gem mint 10. That's pretty cool for an auto from 2020. Very rare to find that. Jack Aitken, one-time Grand Prix driver, of course. We got Cyril. We got Franz Tost, Ottmar, Christian Horner. We got Matteo Binotto, Simon Roberts, Frederick Vasseur, Andreas Seidel, and now we're into our red autos. Wow, look at that. Lewis Hamilton, it's a 9-10. We've got his teammate Valtteri Bottas, 10-10. Checo Perez, Carlos Sainz, Lando Norris, Sebastian Vettel, Lance Stroll, and Yuki Tsunoda. Continuing on here with this F1 grid, we've got Kimi Räikkönen, Antonio Giovinazzi, Nikita Mazepin, of course he was a rookie in the 2019 set, George Russell, Nicholas Latifi, the Russell actually coming in at a 10, which is pretty cool. We've got Christian Lundgaard, Zhou Guanyu, Ralph Boschung at a 10. We've got Roy Nissany, which is a 10-10, 10 on the grading and 10 on the auto there. We got Samaya, Nannini, Zendelli, 10-10. Now we're in the principals. We got Toto Wolff, 10-10 on a Binotto, Simon Roberts, and a couple of silver autos from Daniel Ricciardo and Nicholas Latifi. Back in 2021 and 2020 for that fact, they had silver autos were numbered, and each driver, depending on how many they signed, here we've got Daniel Ricciardo doing 85 and Nicholas Latifi only signing 48. So they're pretty rare too. Lots of cool cards here. Pretty happy with all these grades, and many of these are going to be on the website RacingHallOfFameCollection.com. Many of them may not be on the website because maybe they'll be staying in my collection, so I guess I get first choice. We'll find out. Thanks as always for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and tune in to all of our social media channels. Appreciate you, and thanks for watching.